Well, good afternoon and welcome to Skippy's Kitchen. We're up here at Guitar Lake. My son and I are doing a 72-mile through hike of the High Sierra Trail. We're on our 5th day, and I thought I'd do a little demonstration of how I cook lunch. So first, we get our stove canister, and our little stove, a little portable stove, get that set up. Find a level area, more or less level. Got your little cooking pot. We add a little fresh water to the pot. I usually do about a cup for my dehydrated meals. We fire up the stove. It's not really going that way, so we have to improvise with a lighter. Get that going. Set her on. Fire it up and let it boil. So for lunch today, I'm having coconut mango sticky rice. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a homemade dehydrated meal that I pre-prepped before the trip in these Ziploc bags. There's rice, there's dried mango, sticky rice, all the good stuff in there. Packed it, sits in the bear can, pull it out, it's gonna be ready to go. What we're gonna do is put the hot water in the bag and then put it in this cozy. I made this from a windscreen from a car, those reflective windscreens. I made a little pouch with duct tape and little Velcro things, so it's a little cozy pouch. And we're gonna put the hot water right in the bag and get it going once it warms up, or once the water boils. We got a little wind here today at this beautiful place that we found to camp tonight. We're gonna sit around camp this afternoon and take a nap and check out the scenery, watch the clouds go by, get ready for a big climb tomorrow to top of Mount Whitney. So we're at 11,500 feet. I don't know what the math is, but it takes a lot longer to boil water. But we're almost there. I think we got it. Nice and quiet. So what we do is just take that bag of our sticky rice, mango rice, put it right in here. Get a nice hanky chief to not burn our hands. And then just dump it right in. Yes, you could put the boiling water right in the plastic Ziplocs. There might be some microplastics, but in the scheme of things, I think I'm gonna live. You can see that. Just water mixed right in. Stir it up. Zip up the pouch. And we let it sit in a cozy for about 15 minutes till it rehydrates. And from there, we're gonna show you what it's all about for the first bite. All right, almost ready. The sticky mango rice has been sitting in there. Oh, it's got a little bit longer. So I usually dehydrate most of my own backpacking food. It's actually kind of part of the prep of the trip. It's actually kind of fun, and it adds some flavor to the meals, and it's something to enjoy when you're eating it. And think about the time I spent putting it together. And back in 2019, I did the JMT, the John Muir Trail, and my trail family, gave me the trail name of Mr. Gourmet. So I'm still trying to live up to it. So shout out to you guys. I'm still out here making my meals and having a good time on the trail. So I think it's about ready. The chair is really nice. This is a luxury item I've been bringing. I'm getting a little old for this, so it's nice to be sitting on a chair out here instead of the hard rocks. So besides that, it's lunchtime. So here we go. It looks a little gooey and sticky, and that's what it's supposed to be. Mango sticky rice. Stir it up a little bit. I don't know if you can see that, but it's creamy and it's coconut in there. Man, this tastes so good. probably won't taste as good at home, but up here it tastes super good. Loving it. Cheers.